let's talk of the horizontal plane. In the first line, we have the number 492. This line is called the mental plane. Those of you who have 492 in your chart, you are not only a genius, but you have a God-gifted ability. That is, you have a photographic memory. You are a logical person and will not be easily convinced. You are not only having a strong memory power, but you remember events, numbers, places, and even names for a long time. These are intellectuals and do not follow the crowd. Let's move to the middle line, the 357, which is also known as the emotional plane. These people are the ones who are known with a golden heart. Why? Because they trust others very easily, and because of that, they get cheated. But still, they will forgive them. They will forgive those who have cheated them. This is mainly because, besides being emotional, they are spiritual too. They make very good counselors. These people are ruled by Jupiter, Mercury, and Ketu. That's why they're not only knowledgeable, they're emotional and spiritual persons. The third line of the horizontal line is having the number 816. This line is known as the practical plane. These people are very practical, materialistic, and they are money-minded. They are people who ask a lot of questions before taking any decision. Being practical, they are mostly into jobs and will do businesses on the side. They cannot be cheated easily. They are not only logical, but they are also analytical in their dealings. It's very difficult to argue with these people. These numbers 816 is ruled by Saturn, Sun, and Venus. So you can see the qualities of all the three planets in these people. Now the 456 line. It is also known as the golden plane, the golden Rajyog. Those of you who have this line, that is all the three numbers 456, that means you get a lot of success in your life. That is a super success. You put in less hard work and you get good results. You are considered to be extremely lucky people. You do not only well in business, but you do in your entire life, you do well. You do not face problems in your life. You meet people, you have people, everyone around you are there for you. Any field you enter, you will definitely make a name for yourselves. You are a different class. Why? Because with less hard work, you get more success. In case you are not successful, then there could be other reasons that we need to check, and there will be certain remedies that we can help you. When a person with 456 is born, you will find his father succeeds in life. In other words, a person with 456 brings in a change in the fortunes of his family. Please watch my video on the Rajyog part 1, in which I have spoken about the 456 line in detail. The next diagonal is the 258 line. This plane is also known as the silver Rajyog. Those of you who have 2, 5 and 8 present in your chart, then you will have multiple properties and you will do very well in real estate business. For more on this, please watch my video on Rajyog part 1 and part 2, in which I have dealt in detail about both these Rajyogs, that is 456 and the 258 lines. You will get a very clear picture on this golden Rajyog. The lines that are complete, which has all the three numbers in that line, that means they denote your strength. And if it is not complete, they denote your weakness in that particular number which is not present. You need to work hard on those areas to help you navigate in your life. Let's take an example. If the number is 438, if you have the pair like 43 or 38 or 84, you can say you have 66% chance, because out of 438 you have at least 4 and 3. It is only for the remaining one number you need to take a remedy and you need to work on that aspect. But this rule applies only to 438 and other numbers, but not to 951. The reason is because 1 and 9 are common to everybody. If you have all the three numbers missing in a plane, then it shows the plane is weak, but it can be compensated by the presence of another plane or another complete line. Sometimes you have the number repeated in your grid. that this denotes a change in the personality of a person. Missing numbers or repeated numbers can alter your personality or alter your chances of success or show your strengths and weaknesses in a particular trait or a characteristic. So if numbers are missed, we can complete it with our tools. But repeated numbers, you need to work on the drawbacks and try to improve yourself. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about how to make a numeroscope and how it can make you understand your strengths and weaknesses. So I'm sure you can do this for yourself and for your friends and family members. So in this way, you will not only learn your strengths and weaknesses, but even those of others around you. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.